We create our first page, and we're only going to create one page for this module 1. Go to Pages, and currently I don't have any pages. Select Add Page, close this, and I'll just call it Home, a simple one. Publish my page and do it again. And now we can select Use Divi Builder to activate the Divi Builder. Go ahead and do that. That's how we get into the Divi Builder. Important here is that you note that there is a header and that there is a footer. For what we are going to do, this one pager, we don't need this header and we don't need this footer. So let's exit back to WordPress. To exit, go to the toolbar at the top, and we'll come back here in the next few videos. So don't worry if you want to know what's going on here. Select here next to exit, and you see there's a few options. You can just go back, you can exit and view the page on the front. You can exit to edit the page. That's the WordPress editor or the dashboard. Let's just select here exit and see where that takes us. I think that takes us back to this area. Again, a footprint that I want to show you. The old way in Divi, if you want to remove the header and the footer, is that you go to the settings panel here on the right. Look here at template and select default template. From the drop-down, you select blank page. That is how we removed that header in the footer. But close this, we're not going to do it here. Select save just to make sure this page is locked in. Go to the top left and click on your WordPress and go back. Mosey over to Divi and go to the theme builder. I want to say this is a little bit advanced, but this is how we're going to do it. This section here allows you to build custom headers and footers for your website. And we'll do that in module 2, 3, and 4. In fact, after module 1, we'll be doing it all the time. If this feels a little bit weird to you and you don't know what I'm doing, just bite it out until we get to module 2, and you'll begin to understand how powerful this section is. You can build many headers and footers here. You can assign different ones to your WooCommerce or your blogging specific pages. This is a great playground to be. I wonder if they will move this into the builder in the future as well. Currently, what we have is this default website template. That's the one you just saw on the front end. In fact, let me open one for us. Control-click here on your page name at the top. On Mac, that's Command-click, and it opens a new tab for us, and this is our page. We have the header, and we have the footer. Then inside here, we don't have anything yet, and that is our global body. This is the 3 parts here that represents the layout of your page. Header, content, body, and footer. And all I need to do is to go to the global header and click here on basically hide it, disable it. And the same for the add global footer, hide on front end. Once I've done that, look here, save changes. It's very easy to miss the save button within Divi. After I have done that, let's go to the front, refresh. And now we're only left with the body. And remember, this is currently our posts, our blog posts. That's why we see this. Let's go set the home page. Back to WordPress backend. Go to Settings, Reading. Your home page displays a static page, home page, and select Home and save changes. We select the front end tab again, refresh, and now this is a clean website. Here at the top, you can see we can select Edit with Divi, and that will take us into the Divi Builder. I have to correct myself here. I see that the customizer option does not appear here. Already an indication of how Divi is moving away from the theme customizer. Enter this page from the back end. I'll close these 2 tabs. We go to our pages. This is the home page, and we've set it to be our home page. And now we have the quick link option here, Edit with Divi. Select, and we're right into the Divi Builder.